Jamaica is planting seeds for the future, and the youth are the vessel. With the lowest average age of farmers in the region, the Ministry of Agriculture is pushing further to grow interest and opportunity among young Jamaicans. This year, 5,000 backyard garden kits will be distributed across urban centers, more than ever before.
The first year I did the backyard gardening program, we did 2,000, it was oversubscribed. Second year, we did 3,000, it was oversubscribed. This year, we will be doing 5,000 backyard gardening kits.
But that's not all. The government is sowing long-term investments in youth through a new scholarship initiative and graduate work program. The Face of Food Scholarship will help top agri students fund their tertiary education, and a new program will recruit, mentor, and place graduates in real-world agricultural businesses for a full year.
I'm proud to unveil that we're going to be embarking on the Graduate Recruitment Internship and Training Program, a new bold initiative designed to recruit, train, mentor, and place graduates for a minimum of 1 year. We are going to be working with the Heart Trust to place these students in agricultural-based businesses for 1 year, pay them so that they get the experience. This program will start at the end of the academic year.
From school gardens to scholarships and starter jobs, Jamaica is cultivating a new generation of farmers, and the future looks fruitful.